Finally, very beautiful Ada Sharma is with us, who is going to reply all your Snapchat questions and Instagram questions. So, the very first question we have, you mix up mature and childish looks. How do you do that? I mean, that's amazingly awesome. I am your great fan. How do you do that? And it is by Sai Teja.
Thank you, Sai Teja. Thank you for that very wonderful compliment. I don't really know the right answer to that. Mature and childish looks. 1 tablespoon maturity, half tablespoon childishness. Mix karo, ek pinch.
It's a recipe.
It's a very difficult recipe, and I've shared it with you, so you can do it as well.
Dikshit is asking, यार इतनी गोरी कैसे हो?
ब्लीच के बकेट में डुबा के निकाल.
सर्फ एक्सेल?
सर्फ एक्सेल really रगड़ के. That's also genetic. No, what do you do? My mom is really fair. So.
Next question from Munir. He's asking, how hot is Vidyut Jamwal?
Like 212 degrees centigrade.
You know what? A guy is asking this.
He has a lot of guy fan following, I think. He was just saying that day when we were talking. His guy fan following is huge, and I understand why, because I think all of them want to get bodies like him, and it's so inspiring to you see his body, and a lot of people in his. I was reading his Facebook comments also, and there are mostly guys, like there are girls who say like I love you and this and that, but there are so many guys who are like I want a body like this, and what do you do for this physique, and wow, I love you with your Jamal, when the guy has written it. So
awesome. It is Asiya. She is asking, are you scared of your acts on horror movies?
no, I'm supposed to scare y'all with my acts from horror movies. You are supposed to be very scared of me when I'm in my horror movies. So no, I'm not allowed to be scared, because if I'm scared, then how am I going to scare you?
Okay. So Dhruv is asking, how come she be so beautiful?
Oh my goodness. Genetic, I have nice looking parents, I think. And cosmetic surgery.
No.
100,000. Oh, it's all these cosmetic surgeries, darling. All of them.
Okay. Mesh is asking, what is your next project and what is your role like on that movie?
My next project is Commando 2, which will release soon. And I'm not allowed to tell you too much about my role, but we're doing a lot of action and shooting, and I think I've never done a fun role before. In Hindi movies, I've done 1920 and Hasi To Fasi, which were both serious roles. So here you will see me laughing and trying to hopefully get
You're doing
viewer
comedy, right?
a
Comedy
lot.
and action law.
Yes, it's a combination you've not seen before.
I'm excited.
So I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to see what people think about it. So I've never had so much fun doing stuff like this before.
Jai Patel is asking which mobile you are using right now.
I'm using this Samsung.
Show them camera.
Samsung, what is it? A7, E7.
Your technology challenge. So
It's something 7 of Samsung. Yes. If I could, I would just not use the phone. I'm not a very... it's just really nice to have the phone to be in touch on social media with all of you guys. But otherwise, if it wasn't for this, I would not have a phone.
okay. I was your character role in Heart Attack called Hayati.
Our DOP Amol Rathod had a friend called Hayati who Puri sir met, and he loved the name. My character is very unusual. She's not like other girls you see, that whole bandana thing, and she's a girl who doesn't show skin, and it was a different thing for Telugu movies to have a heroine who's not going to expose at all, and even in the dream sequence songs who's going to be fully covered in layers and layers. So Puri sir thought, when we're doing something so different, we should have a name that's unusual, and people say, what is that name? And it sounds really different. So Hayati is, and I'm sure you've not heard the name before.
I haven't seen the movie Heart Attack actually.
But you've not heard anyone, you don't know anyone called
I
Hayati before.
Never.
So
Next question is from Dr. Anu Garg. And he or she, I don't know. But the thing is, why is she so hot? Why is she so hot?
she
You.
she
You.
is
You.
she's so hot because she's born in the month of May. Month of May, as you know, so hence I think
And
That would
Mumbai
be-
itself is so hot.
And
all the
Mumbai
time,
itself
right?
is so hot, yeah. But I think I feel hot really fast also. I think I was an Eskimo in my last life.
Atul is asking that which Bollywood character do you relate your own character? Like most of the girls relate with the
Salman Khan in Dabang.
Huh. Can you do that Dabang step?
I don't know. No, I just said that. I don't know why. Bollywood character I relate with. Who do people relate to usually?
Geet
What do they
from
say? Geet
Jab
from
We
Jab We
Met.
Met.
Yeah. Most of the girls relate with her actually.
I don't at all. Not at all. And none of the characters I have played also. Thank God. Yeah, I don't relate to myself in 1920. No. Thank God. No. No, not anything that I've played. Amitabh Bachchan in Jhoom Barabar Jhoom.
I haven't seen that movie. Did you see that movie?
Yeah, he wears those things. I
Okay.
wear stuff like that in real life. Yeah, I relate to Amitabh Bachchan in Jhoom Barabar.
So, who is your inspiration? And you're doing a new movie. Don't you think you should go to the Kapil Sharma show to promote your movie?
The first question is who's my inspiration? I have a lot of people who I'm inspired by. It depends what I'm doing. Like if I'm dancing, I'm inspired by someone, acting, and it depends what particular thing. Like if I'm doing comedy, I'm doing
Name
some
it few, no?
comedy. So I'm doing some comedy in Commando 2. I think my favorite actress in Hindi movies who's done comedy really well is Sri Devi. So I love her expressions, and I think she's very quirky with all that. So I'm very inspired by her. Let our trailers and songs and all be out, and
Of Commando. tell
of
me.
Commando 2, and then we will come and promote it everywhere.
So Amira is asking that 1920 के बाद आपने कोई movie क्यों नहीं करी?
I'm not from a film background, so I have limited choices when I select films. But I'm
But you
also
have
a
this
very choosy
movie in
person.
South, right?
I have. So, but I decided that I will do a movie only if I love this and I love my role and I'm dying to do it and I think everyone will love this movie. And I want each movie I do to be like Heart Attack in Telugu, and I did a movie called Rana Vikrama in Kannada, which was really. I don't know. I feel like I should do movies only if I look at it and say, wow. Otherwise, I don't want to do it. I think it's no fun doing something that's just.
So Aman Khan is asking, you like to be on makeup or without makeup?
I think when we are shooting, we have to put on something. In real life, I think without is the best. Who likes to kick themselves up? But I think a great thing is nowadays, even in movies, people like you to look natural. So they don't. They don't want you to put like red here, and unless you're playing a character which requires that, or like, So I think that's without. But in like photo shoots where you can look like really glamorous, I like to go like maroon and black and all that's fun sometimes. Yeah.
उस्मान सत्तार चौधरी साहब पूछ रहे हैं कि which actor inspired her for acting? Inspired you for acting?
I really like Kate Winslet. And like I said, Titanic was one of those movies that I watched. I think she manages to be entertaining as well as very natural, which I think is a very difficult thing to do because usually when people are very entertaining, they overact. And when they're very natural, sometimes it's boring. I think she manages to balance that very well without going over the top. I'm very inspired by her.
Okay. So Swarna is asking, who is your role model? A lot of people have asked about the role
Yeah,
model thing. Just say one name. Your mother, you're saying.
But no, role model. No, my mother's like my favorite person, but role model, she's not an actor. She's completely different from me. If I had to be like my mom, I would not be an actor then because she's this person who's very carefree and she doesn't have a cell phone. We just bought her a cell phone. So then if mother is role model, then we cannot be doing this interview. And I'm not getting on Snapchat like you told me to because she's not on anything.
Okay, so you're following your mother.
I think, we'll make her the role model and give up the phone also.
So Abhinav is asking, who is your favorite actor in Tollywood?
My favorite actor in Tollywood. Quite a few, I think. I like
Just say a
Pawan
name, come
Kalyan
on.
and Prabhas's films.
Pawan Kalyan and Prabhas. Next question from Ankit Gambhir. How was the experience with Vidyut?
The experience with Vidyut shooting for this film. I think I couldn't have asked for a better co-star for an action film because he's Vidyut and he does these very cool things and makes everything look very cool and he jumps through windows, runs up walls and I think all of that, watching that only, I was like really inspired. He's also very good at emotional scenes, which I think people are going to see with this film. So yeah, it's great to have a nice co-star like that, and he's quite mad as well, so it was fun.
Okay.
Thank you so much for your very entertaining questions. Creative ones as well, must say, है ना? They were very creative.
Of course.
Very, very creative questions, and I completely enjoyed. Thank you.
Bye bye.